Hey, what's going on, my friend? James Bill. Welcome to my channel. And if this is your first time, please be sure to go ahead and click on that red subscribe button so you'll be informed the next time I create a video, guys, where it's all about making money online, inspiration, motivation, and giving you methods, strategies, and tips to help you win inside of your business. Just to tell you a little bit about myself, guys, I'm James Bill again. I'm a work from home dad. My previous job before that was I was an engineer with Marriott Hotels, guys. And it was a pretty decent job, but long story short, I got fired from there. And it was kind of a bittersweet moment for me, I must say. I was kind of down a little bit, not knowing how I was going to pay my bills and support my family. So that had really had me down a little bit, but I always had that entrepreneur spirit inside of me. So the sweet part about it was knowing that now was the time. I said, now is the time that I can take action and, continue to follow my dreams and go out and create my own success, guys. And supporting your family and having someone else, where it's a steady paycheck, your insurance and, you get paid every week or two and you don't have that to worry about. That part, it felt kind of good, I must say. So those of you out there with day jobs and you love what you're doing, hey, power to you. Stay there. But for me, like I said, I always knew I wanted more. And when I got fired from there, let me tell you something. I left from that place and I never looked back again. I started my journey, and that's what I want to share with you guys now. My journey as an entrepreneur, digital marketer. I went online searching, guys, shortly after that for something that would bring me some income, that where I didn't have to work for anyone else. I want to work for myself, build my own dreams. And I stumbled across a gentleman online, and he had a proven system that worked for a lot of others. So I followed him. And guys, fast forward today, it's been since, going on 2 years now that I've been with this particular system. And just my journey itself as an entrepreneur of the training. And I started out just looking to get, an income. But let me tell you something. My whole mindset has been shifted. And see, when that happens, guys, when your mindset is shifted in the right direction, because you see, as we were raised up as kids, we come up, our parents, our pastors, school teachers, and all the parents in the neighborhood, they tell you the things that they knew of their way, and that's what we had embedded in our mindsets, guys. And a lot of us, we come up with that. But through reading books, audios, trainings, I learned that I had some issues as a child that was really preventing me from going out and doing the things that I needed to do. And now, since that mindset has been shifted, I feel like I can do anything in the world because I have the power of belief. And that's where it all starts at. You have to believe in yourself. And now I'm so grateful. I mean, looked at my back office the other day with the company, one of the companies that I'm with, and saw, my picture and my name up there as a gold member, from earning thousands and thousands of dollars right here on the internet. And, and I don't know who this is for, but I just wanted to share my journey. And I'm not where I want to be, but I am definitely on my way. And I've grown as an entrepreneur. Like I say, mindset is everything, guys. And now, and not only am I trying to make money online, but I want to make an impact, a significant impact on other people's lives. That's my goal. That's my ultimate goal and dream. To just continue to put my story out there and let everybody know. I mean, you have to be transparent, and that can be difficult sometimes. But you have to be transparent and just let it out, guys. It is what it is, None of us are perfect. I tried to do my best on that job, and sometimes your best is not good enough. That the universe is just doesn't align where you want to go all the time. So most times it has its own destination to bring you into. But what you imagine and what you think about, that's really how you align yourself with the universe. And now I know that all the while I was aligning myself for this. And now here I am, happy as I could be, man, just full of joy. So I just want to say to you, if you're on the fence about creating your own success, starting your own business, do it. Do it. I'm from Lake Charles, Louisiana, small town guy here from a small town. I just took the steps and I did it, guys. I went through the trainings they offered me. I spent money. I had to use resources that I didn't know I had. But this, again, through the trainings and the mindset that teach you all this stuff, the power of belief. And I had to invest in myself, and you're going to have to invest in yourself. But it's well worth it. Let me tell you, it's well worth it. So just wanted to share that story with you and hope it resonates with you. Go ahead and click on, please be sure to click on the link below, and it's going to tell you my number one recommendation for work from home, how to make money from home, guys. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification up here so you know the next time I create a video. God bless, and I'll see you on the next video.